ever used Sony WF-1000XM5 Earbuds? Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you the step-by-step procedure on how can you use Sony WF-1000XM5 Earbuds. So first thing is you have to set up the headphones. So the Sony FW1000XM5 wireless earbuds have been announced, so they can currently be pre-ordered with an estimated delivery in coming weeks as well. Now what you need to do is first of all make sure you get the air tip size right. Now in order to use it, so you could ensure the lid is open and the earbuds are inside. On the back of the case, you just need to press and hold for about 5 seconds or until you see a blue blinking LED. And on your device, go to Bluetooth settings and select WF-1000XM5 from the list. After which, you could also download the Sony Headphones Connected app. This app allows for further customizations and control of the earbuds as well. Now choose the right earbuds tip size. Experiment with the different size to find what feels most comfortable and provide a good seal. Now twist and push the earbuds tip into the air canal to ensure a secure fit as well. The app has fit tests that can help you determine if the seal is alright. Now likewise, you could also go with touch controls such as basic controls, single tap on the right earbuds for play and pause, double tap for a next track, and triple tap for previous track as well. And you could also go with a volume control, call management, ambient sound control, all that. You could go and explore it. You could also have the Sony headphones also has a feature of noise cancellation. You could go and explore all of these features available, and that should be able to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.